DIY Beamer guy here. Let's do a comparison. Now the fog lights and the regular lights. Fog lights are a little yellow. So I'm going to swap them out. I already got my tires off. I was doing my brakes, but I'm going to put these in. See what happens. Basically, you gotta pop these little clips off. Screw down. You shouldn't have to take the wheel off. Well, I'm about to get to it. Maybe we'll just trust the heat gun. Cold part, I like to plug it in. Let me look a little bit. Making a lot. A lot of this. Then, I got my wheels flopping. Oh, that's nice. There we go. Where'd the other piece go? I don't know. These should not be this difficult. Your needle nose is always coming handy. There we go. On there, make things wider. Boom. Tight. So, that's all we need. Yep, that right there. You go. See it right there? Alright, pop those two clips off. And we are right here. Twist it to the left. Pops right up. Yeah, got these clips. Look, I got a little wire cut right here. It still work. I'm gonna hit that with some electrical tape. Pretty sure I got some of that one close. Build exactly the same. Uh-oh. That thingamajig looks fatter than this one. Let's see. It's in there. I'm gonna see if it turns on. that's it. You don't have to take your wheel off. We're just doing brakes. You just pop these two clips out, screwdriver or two. Turn it to the left, and bam. Yeah. It's in there. Let's put these back together. Push this first part in. And stuff that part in. Bam! It's in there. Tight! That's it. Do the same thing with the other side. Easy peasy. See how the difference. The left is yellow, the right is more bluer, like the red and white. Way more clear. Way more clear. I think that was like $15. Very much worth it. Very much worth it.